Hello dear subscribers. Let's talk today about error entry point not found. So how we can fix this error? First we need to go to control panel. So just right here in search control and open control panel. Here you can see it, and just go to apps, applications, programs, and here you can see programs and features. So here you choose this one, Microsoft Visual C++, and just you click on right and choose uninstall. So you uninstall this file, and after you uninstall it, you just need to close it and go to your browser and just write in browser VC Redist. It also depends if you have x86 or 32 bits operation system or 454. So I also showed you on 32. So you just write this file, and first you will see its official Microsoft service. You just go here, and now you need to upload if you have 32 this file and 64 you need to download this file and just install it. So after you install, for example, I will download this one. Here you can see our loading file. We just click on it, and after it will finish load, it will open. So here you can see that also I have this version of Visual C installed on my computer, and you will just click here install and just wait for about 2 or 3 minutes, and it will successfully install on your computer. And after you do it, just restart your computer and everything will works, and you won't have this error again. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.